Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, June 11th, 2022. Because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. I've already solved one puzzle 1 minute ago. Well, there are two puzzles left, the Sudoku with 2 stars and the Tectonic with 1 star. But first, we will solve this baby, the 2 stars Sudoku number 4689. Before I start, I always count up between the digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? All right. Interesting. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Let me see. 3, 4, 7. Look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers. Oh, no. Too early. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column. So no 3 in this box. Only place left for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row. 3 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column. 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. All right. All right. 3 minutes already passed. Let me continue. Let me see. 7, 2. 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and a 1. We have a 5 and a 1 in the first column. So no 5 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. 5 and a 1, 5 and a 1. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1. It goes there. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Alright, let me check. 7, 2, 9, 1, 4, 7, 147. Yeah. 8. 4. Come on, come on, come on. 1 1. 5 5. 5 5. Well. 3. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, no, need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 9. Well, one of these 3 missing numbers those 3 missing numbers are the 1 in this big square are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. We have a 7 and 8 in the third row. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 7, 8 and a 7. 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then. Let me see. 6 6 6 6. All right. 8 8. Two missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers in the first column are the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 8 in a column next, second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this third column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. All right. Then. Let me see. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 1. Think. 9 9. Okay. 7 4 7. I'm thinking. 8 8. 8. Yeah. 1 2 3 4. 1 1. We have a pair. No, not the pair. Well, we have a 1 and a 5 in this row. We have a 1 and a 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 6 6. 2 missing missing numbers. In this row, 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and 4. Interesting. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the third row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Now we have a pair here. Okay. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this last column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 6 and 9. 6 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And I've eliminated the 6 there, so this box should be the 6. Yeah. 6 there. Now we have 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be 9. 9. 4, 7. Okay. Let me see. 7 and 2. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. 4, 4, okay. What the 5. Yeah, 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number. So 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 there in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, told you, between 50 and 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars Sudoku, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.